My name is Ronnie Tiller. I was employed here January 30th, 2006 as a grinder/machinist. And I grind any weld that they put in front of me and try to make it look pretty, and that's my role here at Holloway America. Well, when I first got into this line of work, I wanted to be a welder, but at that time it was slower to get into the welding. It was grinding, and I hired in as a helper. And a week after I hired in as a helper, they put me to grinding. It was just like I never turned back. It was hard work, but it was interesting, you know, and the harder the work was, it was more of a challenge to me. So it was like artwork. One of my salesmen told me once that you do artwork, and I got thinking about that. I said, he's true, you know, it is artwork, you know, but I always took my job serious, and I always wanted to put out the best product I can, but I always wanted to look good, because if it didn't look good to me, it didn't look good to somebody else. I've got my wife, Carolyn, August 22nd, we'll be married 40 years. I've got a 36-year-old son as a police officer, and I got a 35-year-old daughter that is a surgical tech, 3 granddaughters, and I've got 2 grandsons. And I've got a 100-acre farm, so I'm quite busy and stay pretty active. I give God the credit that He allowed me to have the skills to use that I worked hard at. I'm proud of some of the opportunities that I got to do in this line of work. You know, we got to build a lot of pharmaceutical tanks that help save lives of different people with disease and stuff. And even the virus that's going on right now, we got so many tanks in the shop that we're building for that certain disease, you know, which that makes you feel good that you're actually doing something to help the people out. There's always going to be a need for pharmaceutical tanks, and I just think the future of the company is great, and I couldn't be more proud to work for them. There's 100 fabricators out there, but to me there's only about a half a dozen can really do the job right, and I think Holloway does that. I think we've built a great reputation. I think we're one of the top, or if not the top, stainless steel fabricators in the country.